So hello and welcome everyone to this video. So today video is going to be the unwrapping video. As you can see in front of me there is a laptop that I just received from a company prodapt. So let's get started and see what's inside it. So first of all, let us see billing over here. Yes, yeah, it's a billing of my name and from the company invoice. Let's keep it aside, and there's my name and address over here. So let's do the unboxing first. Let's see. There is a laptop inside it. So it's a laptop, and what's inside? So this is a instruction guide. Oh, yeah. It's a charger, I guess. Oh, so here's a bill. Okay. So it's a graphite color laptop, HP badging over here, and here's written the property of prodapt. That is my company name. Yeah, it seems nice finishing touch over here. So let's see from this angle. It's looking nice. So it's a i5 generation Core Intel inside. I just switch it on. So just after signing in and entering my password, so it's opening like this. This is the wallpaper prodapt over there. Let's see the specifications. So it's having one USB port over here and one SD card port over here. So seeing over to this side, there is one charging port over here, one LAN port, one HDMI cable port, and two USB ports, and one aux cable port over here. So that's all in the video. Thank you.